In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Squarespace online store. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to use. From the main dashboard, open Commerce to start setting up your store. Next, add your products. Click Products, then select Add Product. Enter the product name, description, price, and images. If you're selling physical products, add your inventory and shipping information. After that, organize your products into categories. Create categories that make it easier for customers to browse your store, then assign each product to the appropriate category. Now set up your payment options. Open the Payments section and connect an available payment processor, such as Squarespace Payments, Stripe, or PayPal, depending on what's available for your location. Next, configure your shipping and tax settings. Add your shipping rates and delivery options, then enter the appropriate tax information for your business. Finally, preview your store and test the checkout process. Make sure your products, prices, payments, shipping, and checkout settings are working correctly. Once everything looks good, publish your website so customers can start shopping. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Squarespace online store. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.